educational kids activity worksheets by AV's DigiZone. Hey parents, teachers, and homeschoolers, are you struggling to keep your kids engaged in learning? We've got an amazing solution for you. At AVS DigiZone, we're giving away 6,000 plus fun and educational kids activity worksheets, and the best part? It's 100% free. These worksheets cover all subjects: math, science, reading, puzzles, and even creative activities to spark your child's imagination. 2,000 worksheets. Alphabet 1,300 worksheets. 350 Hindi Master. 300 numbers and counting. 1,000 cut and glue. 500 drawing and coloring. 300 word search worksheets. Designed by education experts. Perfect for kids 3 to 10 years age. No cost, just pure learning fun. This is a limited time offer. Don't miss out. Just enter your email and get instant access to all 6,000 plus worksheets. Click the link below, enter your email, and download now. Thank you. Regards from Team AVS.